As usual, it's at the bottom of one of the jars. Come on, and don't forget to check what's in the bag. I'm ready. I love this metal pointer thing. It's like I'm a teacher. What is in there? In this corner of your TV, you can see Dima Nestorov's first contact with hay. Is there even anything there? Remember, clock's ticking. The clock, I have no idea what's in there. Time's ticking. The bomb could explode. This is terrible. What even is this? I think this is wrong again. It's more salt. More salt? You're a musician, so do you have relative pitch? Of course I do. That's a B. What about this? This sucks. This one sucks. I thought it was an F flat, but it's not that far off from your guess. I got through the haystacks, or whatever you put in there. I'm not going to do that anymore. You see, I lost the flour last time, and I'm sure it was flour. I put it on the table, and you must have stolen it from me.